Assalamu alaikum, beloved Azur.
Wa alaikum salam.
My question is, Hazrat Masih Maud alayhi salam mentions that followers in his community will excel in knowledge and will confound all others with the light of their truth, reasoning, and signs. Beloved Azur, how can we become a part of these blessed members?
You see, to achieve anything, you have to work hard. If a student is hardworking, who believes in Allah Ta'ala, and a student who is also hardworking, who does not believe in Allah Ta'ala, so, and both, are trying to achieve and excel in their knowledge and wisdom. So, Allah Ta'ala will give reward to both of them, since both of them are working hard to achieve their goal and objective, right? But for a person who is a religious person, who believes in Allah Ta'ala, and who thinks that I am from the community of Prophet Messiah ﷺ, whom Allah Ta'ala has promised that He will excel His followers in wisdom and knowledge, then we have to pray to Allah Ta'ala that both of us are working hard to achieve this goal. But I believe in you. So I pray to you that you give me more wisdom and give better results of my effort. So in this way, you can have better result. Otherwise, if you are not praying to Allah Ta'ala, you are not discharging your duties you owe to Allah Ta'ala, you are not following the commandments of Allah Ta'ala, then you will not achieve these things. So, don't think it is a negative point. It is a plus point because you are not only achieving all these goals here in this world, but it will also help you in the hereafter. Right? So, keeping in view all these things, if you work hard and whichever field you have chosen for yourself and try to excel in it, inshallah ta'ala you will succeed and excel. But if you half-heartedly discharge the duties you owe to Allah Ta'ala, then result will not be as favorable, as positive as you think it should have been. Right? So for a true believer, you have to keep in mind that you have to discharge your duties alongside your, you owe to Allah Ta'ala alongside your working hard in your field of study.